Lesson 7. Learn multiples and factors. Natural numbers. The counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. 1 is the first and the smallest natural number. By adding 1 to a natural number, we get the consecutive natural numbers. For example, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, etc. So, there is no end to natural numbers. Whole numbers. The number 0 along with the natural numbers gives us the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 which are called whole numbers. We can say that every natural number 1, 3 is a whole number.
0 is the smallest whole number.
Multiples. The product of two or more numbers is called the multiple of each of these numbers. Let us recall the multiplication table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. The products 6, 12, 18, 24 are obtained by multiplying 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. These products are the multiples of 6. Similarly, 7, 14, 21, 28 are multiples of 7 and 10, 20, 30, 40 are multiples of 10. Properties of multiples. Property 1. Every non-zero number is a multiple of itself. Examples: 10 is equals to 10 multiplied by 1. 10 is a multiple of itself. 54 is equals to 54 multiplied by 1. 54 is a multiple of itself. Property 2. Every number is a multiple of 1. Examples: 8 is equals to 8 multiplied by 1. 8 is a multiple of 1. 20 is equals to 20 multiplied by 1. 20 is a multiple of 1. Property 3. Every multiple except 0 of a whole number is either greater than or equal to the number. For example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Clearly, multiples of 2 are either greater than or equal to 2. Example 1. Write first 4 multiples of 8. Solution. First 4 multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 and 8 fours are 32. The first 4 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24 and 32. Multiples facts. First, the product is the multiple of all numbers which are multiplied. We can observe that 15 multiplied by 7 is equals to 105. 105 is the 7th multiple of 15, or 105 is the 15th multiple of 7. Also, 15 is equals to 3 multiplied by 5. So, 105 is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 105 is the multiple of 3, 5 and 7. Second, the multiples of an even number are always even. Examples: 4 is 4, 8, 12. 6 is 12, 18, 24. Third, multiples of odd numbers can be both odd and even numbers. Example: 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. In the above examples, the first, third, fifth, etc. multiples are odd numbers and second, fourth, sixth, etc. multiples are even numbers. Fourth, the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Fifth, the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. Example: 10, 10, 20, 30.
End with 1 0.
100, 100, 200, 300.
End with 2 zeros.
1000, 2000, 3000.
End with 3 zeros.
All multiples of 100 are multiples of 10 and all multiples of 1000 are multiples of 10 and 100. Common multiple and least common multiple, LCM. A number which is a multiple of two or more numbers is called a common multiple. Example 1. List the first 6 multiples of 2 and 3 and find the common multiples by encircling them. Solution: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We circle 6, 12 and 18. For 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. The smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called the least common multiple. In short, we call it LCM. In the above example, the common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12 and 18. So the least common multiple is 6. Example 2. Find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 by listing their multiples. Solution: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. For 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. For 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. The first or the smallest common multiple of 2, 4 and 6 is 12, or the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 is 12. Factors. When we multiply two numbers, the number which we get as the result is called the product of those numbers. The numbers which are multiplied are called the factors of the product. Consider the multiplication fact. 8 multiplied by 7 is equals to 56. Here the numbers 8 and 7 are multiplied to get a number 56. 8 and 7 are called the factors and 56 is called the product. Also, 8 multiplied by 7 is equals to 56. Gives us two division facts. 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7 and 56 divided by 7 is equals to 8. This means that both 7 and 8 divide 56 exactly and no remainder is left. Thus, a number is exactly divisible by each of its factors. Remember that we can use more than two numbers to build a product. All the numbers used to build a product are factors of that product. In other words,
We can have more than two factors of the number.
examples: 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 24. Shows that 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 is equals to 70. Shows that 2, 5 and 7 are factors of 70. Finding factors of a number. We can find the factors of a number by two methods. Method 1, using multiplication. In this method, we try to find the numbers whose product is the given number. Let us consider the number 24 and find its factors. Since 1 multiplied by 24 is equals to 24, therefore 1, 24 are factors of 24. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Therefore 2, 12 are factors of 24. 3 multiplied by 8 is equals to 24. Therefore 3, 8 are factors of 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is also 24. Therefore 4 and 6 are factors of 24. Therefore, all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Method 2. Using division. In this method,
We try to find a number
which divides the given number without leaving a remainder. Let us try to find the factors of 24 by this method. Since 24 divided by 1 is equals to 24, therefore 1, 24 are factors of 24. 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. Therefore, 2 and 12 are factors of 24. 24 divided by 3 is equals to 8. Therefore, 3, 8 are factors of 24. 24 divided by 4 is equals to 6. Therefore, 4, 6 are factors of 24. All the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Example 1. Find all the factors of 72. We have 1 multiplied by 72 is 72, 2 multiplied by 36 is 72, 3 multiplied by 24 is 72, 4 multiplied by 18 is 72, 6 multiplied by 12 is 72, and 8 multiplied by 9 is also 72. Thus, all the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Example 2. Is 13 a factor of 1391? Solution. Let us divide 1391 by 13. Since 13 divides 1391 exactly, it is a factor of 1391. Rainbow check for the factors. Example 1. List the factors of 15. Write the factors of a number in ascending order and join the first and last, second and second last and so on to make a rainbow. Multiply the numbers joined by the rainbow lines. Example 2. Let us list the factors of 56 and check if they are correct by the rainbow check. Solution. Write the factors in the ascending order and join them to make a rainbow. We observe that 1 multiplied by 45 is 45, 3 multiplied by 15 is 45, 5 multiplied by 9 is equals to 45. This method will also help you to estimate the factors. Relation between factors and multiples. In 7 multiplied by 2 is equals to 14, 14 is the multiple of 7 and 2, and 7 and 2 are the factors of 14. Now we can say that a multiple is a product of its factors. Some important points. First, multiple is greater than or equal to the number. Second, factor is less than or equal to the number. Example, multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30. 10 is equals to 10, 20 is greater than 10, and 30 is also greater than 10. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1 is less than 10, 2 is less than 10, 5 is less than 10, and 10 is equals to 10. Third, the number itself is the factor as well as the multiple of the number. Example, 10 is a factor of 10, 10 is also a multiple of 10. Fourth, the number itself is the smallest multiple
and the greatest factor of itself.
Example, the smallest multiple of 10 is 10, the greatest factor of 10 is 10. Common factor and highest common factor HCF. Example 1. Find the common factors of 18 and 24. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Common factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. Example 2. Find the factors of 17. 17 multiplied by 1 is 17. Solution. Since there is no other number which divides 17 without a remainder, 1
and 17 are the only two factors of 17.
Example 3. Find the HCF of 24, 40 and 56. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. Factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. The common factors of 24, 40 and 56 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The greatest number among these is 8. So, the HCF of 24, 40 and 56 is 8. Divisibility test. Using some basic rules of divisibility, we can find out whether a number is divisible by another number without actually dividing the number. Number 2. Divisibility test. Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example, 142 is divisible by 2 as the last digit is 2. 3. Sum of digits is divisible by 3. For example, 150 is divisible by 3 as the sum of the digits is 6, that is 1 plus 5 plus 0. For number 4, numbers formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. 248 is divisible by 4 as 48 is divisible by 4. 5. Last digit is either 0 or 5. 135 is divisible by 5 as the last digit is 5. 6. Divisible by 2 and 3. 156 is divisible by 6 since it is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. 8. Number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8. 4120 is divisible by 8 as 120 is divisible by 8. 9. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. 747 is divisible by 9 as the sum of the digits is 18. 7 plus 4 plus 7 which is 18 and 18 is divisible by 9. 10, last digit is 0. 1210 is divisible by 10 as the last digit is 0.